I can't believe this is still happening, but I've heard there are still dealers that mislead customers by manipulating the days to first payment value while quoting payments. Let's talk about what that is and why it is a very, very bad idea. When you quote a payment to a customer, the important variables are the amount financed, the term, and the interest rate, expressed as APR. It's also a best practice to include amount down and trade equity. The idea is to promote transparency, which in turn fosters trust, an essential element to a successful sale. Most dealers use an electronic desking tool to generate payment quotes presented to customers. Such tools produce accurate quotes that are legible, a vast improvement over the old hand-scribbled foursquare. But electronic quotes are only as accurate as the information put into the system. And that's what brings us to the often overlooked days to first payment value. Payment quotes, pencils, generally assume 30 or 45 days to first payment. But if you input a larger value, 180 or more days to first payment, you create an overstatement of the monthly payment. This is called leg, and it's an indicator of potential payment packing. It can also mislead customers when a dealership advertises no payments for 6 months. That's not a good deal because interest is accruing for those 6 months and must be paid, raising the total amount paid for the vehicle. Unethical salespeople may think they can get away with this because the standard variables that go into a monthly payment, amount financed, APR, and term, are accurately and legibly displayed on the quote document. But days to first payment is a hidden variable, so it can be manipulated without customer knowledge. I audit deal jackets and can tell you that this deception is easy to detect. And if I can figure it out, so can plaintiffs' lawyers, attorneys general, and the FTC. There is no legitimate business reason to inflate days to first payment beyond the industry standard 30 or 45 days. So if it's in a deal, that deal is presumptively deceptive. Remember, no one ever got sued for presenting accurate, transparent payment quotes. They just sell cars. For Drop the Bow Tie, I'm Jim Ganther. Thanks for watching.